Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your mix sound good on all speakers. First, ensure your monitoring setup is accurate. Calibrate your listening environment to achieve a flat frequency response, minimizing room reflections. Invest in high-quality studio monitors and a reliable pair of headphones. Always listen at a consistent, moderate volume, around 85 decibels SPL, to prevent ear fatigue and make objective mixing decisions. A trustworthy listening space is your foundation for a great mix. Once you have a solid foundation, it is crucial to check your mix's translation across different playback systems. Listen to your track on at least 5 different speaker types, including small Bluetooth speakers, car stereos, and even phone speakers. Compare your mix to professionally produced commercial tracks in a similar genre. Also, switch your mix to mono for about 30 seconds to identify any phase cancellation issues that might make your track sound thin or disappear on certain systems. Achieving a balanced frequency spectrum and controlled dynamics is key for universal playback. Use equalization to sculpt each instrument, ensuring no frequency ranges are clashing or overpowering others. Pay close attention to the low end, keeping it tight and clear without muddiness. Employ compression and limiting judiciously to manage the dynamic range, aiming for a consistent loudness without crushing the life out of your track. A well-balanced mix will translate much better. Before finalizing, take frequent breaks, perhaps every 45 minutes, to give your ears a rest and maintain objectivity. Ensure your final mix has adequate headroom, typically around 6 decibels peak, to allow the mastering engineer space to work. Carefully listen for any unwanted noises, clicks, or pops that might have slipped through. Finally, export your mix at a high sample rate, like 48 kHz and a 24-bit depth, preparing it perfectly for the mastering stage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.